Okay, so good day everyone. So welcome sa atuang next lesson after sa atuang definition, history, and code of plumbing. So for our topic today, it's all about supply system design, sizing, layout, and components. Okay, so once again, I'm Engineer Alan Villariosa, your instructor for Civil Engineering Utilities. Okay, so plumbing again is defined as the installation of pipes, fixtures, and other components to supply or convey water and discharge or dispose waste. Okay, so um main purpose again of plumbing is to supply water and discharge waste. Okay, so that's the main purpose or objective of plumbing. Okay. Okay, so ano ba yung o unsa man tong mga components or fixtures sa isa ka plumbing system? So karon i-discuss nato unsa ni sila, unsay mga function, unsay mga basic na requirement per plumbing fixture, unsay gina-compose sa imuhang piping, unsay mga fittings and mga valves as well na ginagamit or any or types of valve na appropriate ana nga application. Okay? So first, let us define what is a plumbing fixture. So a plumbing fixture is a device or receptacle that is connected to a plumbing system to deliver, use, or dispose of water or waste. Okay, so this is any um, device, no, na ginagamit sa plumbing to supply or to dispose water or waste. Okay? So naay four main requirements for the plumbing fixture para ma-install nimo siya dito. Okay? The first one that is that it should provide sanitary quality. Okay? So of course, dapat ang imuhang plumbing fixture na i-connect mag-provide sa imuha og sanitary quality. Okay? So limpyo, no? Away from any um diseases or illness nga mag-occur ana. Okay? And para limpyo gyud. Okay? Number two, design for their intended uses and for convenience in cleaning. Okay, so when you install a plumbing fixture, dapat kung unsa ang iyahang intended use, design siya para ana. Okay? And of course, kung maglimpyo ta or mag-maintain ta sa isa ka plumbing fixture, dapat dili pud siya lisod i-maintain. Okay? So dapat ibutang sa huna-huna sa mag-install sa plumbing fixture ang convenience for cleaning. Number three, made of non-oxidizing, non-absorbent material with a smooth, abrasion-resistant surface. Okay? So dapat ang gamiton nga material for your plumbing fixture dili siya non-oxidizing siya, meaning dili siya mag-react with oxygen. So walay rust na mag-form. Non-absorbent. So syempre sige mo na siyang kabasa. So dili dapat siya absorbent with water or any liquid. And dapat smooth siya. So meaning budagan ang imuhang tubig. Maligyas ang imong tubig along the surface. And abrasion resistant surface. Okay, so iwas sa mga gas-gas na um, surface. Okay, so dapat smooth and sinaw siya. Then lastly, is it is free from defects and concealed fouling surfaces. Okay, so kana lang upat ang main conditions when you or when we try to install a plumbing fixture. Okay, so unsa man yung mga example sa plumbing fixture? Okay, so mo ni atong mga standard nga plumbing fixtures. So first one is water closet, urinals, lavatories, kitchen sinks, service sinks, laundry trays, drinking fountains, showers, bathtubs, bidets, floor drains, and last but not the least, emergency fixtures. See? So let's discuss isa-isa unsa ni sila, unsilang function, unsa yung mga basic requirement and operation sa kaninga different plumbing fixtures. Okay, so the first one is a water closet. Okay, so commonly known as a toilet bowl. Okay, so by definition, it is used to receive human excrement and to discharge it through a drain pipe, using water as a conveying medium. It is classified as either round front or elongated. Okay, so na two types of your water closet, katong round front or elongated. Kung elongated ka, um, ang katong tumoy sa imuhang bowl is naka-extend pa siya. Okay, so more siya patusok gamay, no? Compared sa round front. And then, water closet typically flush between 5 to 7 gallons of water. Okay, so every flush, nagagamit ka of 5 to 7 gallons of water. Okay? So what are the old categories? No? Kung ano yung mga classification sa una na ginagamit on how to identify kung saan nga type of water closet ang naa sa inyo ha or na-install sa inyo. Depende sa requirement. Okay? So first one is reverse trap. So uses a reverse trapway design with a larger water surface area and quieter operation. For blowout, employs a strong jet of water to force waste directly into the trap and drain. So muna siya ka na murag ka ng nagkuha kag balde tapos imo siyang gipupuan nga tuloy-tuloy muna siya ambot pasabot sa imong blowout. Next, siphon jet utilizes a jet of water at the bottom of the bowl to quickly start siphoning action for efficient flushing. Okay, so nasa jet of water or kanang pressurized water at sa bottom sa bowl. Okay? Then wash down relies on a simple downward rush of water to push waste through the trap. Next, siphon vortex combines siphonic action with a swirling vortex of water for thorough flushing and cleaning. So meaning na ay jet of water na pressurized tapos naapoy vortex action. Okay, so nagsagol. We have the pressure or tankless uses direct water line pressure without a tank to flush waste rapidly, common in a commercial use. Then pressure tank incorporates a pressure vessel inside the tank to release pressurized water for a powerful flush. Okay, so for new categories, nag depende lang siya sa tulo. Okay? So for close coupled, has a separate tank and bowl joined closely together as one unit during installation. Okay, so lahi ang seat, lahi po ang imuhang tank. Okay? Kung ano siya ang sa close coupled. For one piece, tank and bowl are molded into a single seamless unit for compactness and ease cleaning. For one piece, connected na daan or aswan ang imuhang tank and imuhang bowl. For your flushometer, uses a flushometer valve directly connected to the water supply, eliminating the tank and is common in commercial restrooms. So muna yung types sa water closet yung ginagamit sa mga malls, no? Katong lever type na flush niya, katong gamay lang siya nga cylinder, ito, ana lang na nimo, and wala na siya tank. Okay, so that is called a flushometer valve. Okay, so one new categories for our water closet. Okay, so take a look at the different diagram for each category of water closet. Yan. Okay. Then, pwede din natin ma-identify or ma-categorize ang water closet depending on the flushing action that it uses. So, first one is the gravity. It uses the force of gravity from water stored in a tank to flush waste through the trapway. Okay, so only gravity is pushing the water stored in a tank. Okay, so no pressure driven na force, but only gravity. Next is the flushometer tank employs a tank gravity fed or pressure assisted to release a volume of water for flushing. Okay, so nakakay tank, either gravity fed or pressure assisted siya. For flushometer valve, uses a flushometer or direct water line pressure, so without a tank to deliver a high velocity flush common in commercial toilets. Okay, so gravity, flushometer valve, and flushometer tank. Okay, so these are based on the flushing action. Okay, so morning diagram for the different uh, types based on the flushing action. Okay, so gravity, we have the flushometer tank. Okay, so na pressure tank siya. And flushometer valve, so valve na siya, walay tank. Yeah. Then we can also categorize depending on the mounting in connection of that particular water closet. Okay, so first one is floor mounted. The water closet is installed directly on the floor with the outlet connected downward to the drainage pipe. Okay, so ang imuhang toilet bowl nakapatong lang siya sa floor and ang drainage niya is downward. Okay, wala siya ang floor mounted. For wall hang, the bowl is fixed to the wall with no contact on the floor, giving a suspended look and easier floor cleaning. Okay, so that's for wall hang. Naka-fix siya sa wall and wala contact sa floor. So mura siya galutaw. And it is easier for floor cleaning. Next one is the floor-mounted backwater outlet. The closet rests on the floor, but discharge ways horizontally through the back wall instead of the floor. Okay, so floor-mounted yapon siya, pero instead sa downward ng iyahang discharge, horizontal ang iyahang discharge, back wall instead of the floor. Okay, so that's for mounting and connection. Floor-mounted, wall hung, floor-mounted backwater out. Okay, so these are the typical requirements for your water closet. And they approximate height, we have the type of water closet, and the reference, supply pipe. Ayan. Okay, so next one is urinals. So urinals, commonly nakikita natin sa CR ng lalaki. So, by definition, a urinal is a plumbing fixture designed for urination, usually installed at a convenient height on a wall or partition, and is commonly used in public restrooms to serve multiple users efficiently with minimal water consumption. So, unlike sa imuhang water closet, around 5 to 7 gallons of water ang ginagamit kada flush. Sa imong urinals, minimal lang ang water consumption. Okay, so we have also different classifications of urinals. So for blowout, uses a strong jet of water to rapidly force waste to the trap and drain. For siphon jet, employs a water jet to initiate siphonic action for efficient planning. For washout, relies on water spreading over the bowl surface to wash waste directly into the outlet. And stall and wash down, a floor-mounted extended urinal type that provides more privacy and is suited for high traffic restrooms. Okay, so nasa baba yung typical requirement for your urinal. Okay, so next one is a lavatory. So it is a plumbing fixture commonly called a sink designed for washing hands, face, or small objects. Typically equipped with a faucet for water supply and a drain connected to the plumbing system. Okay, so basically lababo lang, lavatory. Usually sa CR. Then, ano itong requirement for your lavatory. Yeah. Next is the kitchen sink. So plumbing fixture installed in kitchens designed for washing food, utensils, and cookware. Typically equipped with one or more bowls, faucet for water supply, and a drain connected to the waste system. So it's basically just a lavatory, but specifically for the kitchen. Yeah, kitchen sink. Okay, so these are the requirements for your kitchen sink. Service sink, so heavy duty plumbing fixture, often floor mounted with a deep basin, designed for janitorial or maintenance use such as filling buckets, disposing dirty water, or cleaning equipment. Yeah, service sink. So makita natin na sa mga CR nato sa USDP, natin mga service 6 katapad sa lavatory. Imo. Usually for janitorial, maintenance purposes, di maglimpyo sa imong mga bak. Ah, Next is the faucet. So the faucet controls the release of water from a plumbing system and allowing users to regulate the flow and temperature for various fixtures such as sinks, bathtubs, and lavatories. So aside from the regulating the flow, some faucets are equipped with certain devices na makaregulate po ka sa temperature. Okay, so for example, i-turn mo siya pa left or i-turn mo siya pa right, makuha mo kung pa left, minute siya, pa right, mabugnaw siya. Okay, so na-put siya ay other additional na function of faucet. Okay, then makita natin diri unsay mga maximum flow rate for your typical faucet. Ayan. Next one is the drinking fountain. So, naman tayo drinking one fountain po diri sa USTP, no? So, it is a plumbing fixture designed to provide safe, potable water for direct human consumption. Typically operated by a push button, lever, or sensor to release a clean stream of water for drinking. Okay? So, ang purpose good para sa imong drinking fountain is, of course, for drinking. Okay, so kung maghugasan ka, dili siya recommended nga magkuhan ka sa drinking fountain kay sayang ang potable water. No? Next is the shower. So a plumbing fixture that sprays water from above to a nozzle or shower head, designed for bathing by rinsing the body with a continuous flow of water. So the maximum flow rate for a shower valve is 2.5 gallons per minute at 80 degrees 80 psi, not degrees, 80 psi. Next are bathtubs. So it is a plumbing fixture, usually a large container made of materials like porcelain, acrylic, or fiberglass, designed to hold water for bathing while allowing a person to soak and wash. And bidet for washing the genital and anal areas after using the toilet, using a gentle stream of water for improved personal hygiene. So take note, gentle stream of water. Naiwan bidet nga kusog kaayo ang pressure nga murag makalangkat na siya sa imuhang kung sa imong gusto hugasan. No? So dapat gentle stream of water lang, enough para maka-clean. Ayan. We have floor drains, so fixture installed at the floor level of areas like bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, or garages, designed to remove standing water and prevent flooding by directing it into the drainage system. Then we also have emergency fixtures, so specialized plumbing fixtures designed to provide immediate first aid response by delivering large amounts of water for flushing the eyes, face, or body in a case of exposure to hazardous substances. So usually nga niya mga laboratory, mga hospital, mga planta, no? Sila ay eye wash station or emergency shower stations. In case na come in contact ang mga empleyado or trabahante dito sa hazardous chemicals or substances. Okay, so next one is the pipe fittings. Okay, so ginaunsa man nato ni connect ang atong mga different atong pipeline. So gagamit ta og pipe fittings. Okay, so by definition, pipe fittings are components used in plumbing and piping systems to connect, control, change direction, branch, or terminate the flow of liquids or gases within pipes. Okay, so natay different kinds of pipe fittings and laylahi ang ilahang function. And depende sa unsa atong goal sa atong plumbing system kung unsa atong gamiton nga pipe fitting. Okay? So, different cases nga mas maayo nga kani nga pipe fitting atong gamiton and napoy cases nga dili ni siya maayo nga pipe fitting gamiton. So, lahi nga pipe fitting ang dapat gamiton. Okay, so first one is the elbow. So, a fitting that changes the direction of a pipe commonly in 45 degrees or 90 degrees. So, napay different angles of turning ang imong elbow, but commonly angles nga gina-use are 45 or 90 degrees. Okay, so mag-change ka direction from straight, paliko mo to the right, so magamit ka o elbow. Ayan. We also have a Y branch, so a fitting that allows one pipe to join another at a 45 degrees angle. Okay, so yung main purpose yun is to connect another piping system or pipeline with your main pipeline at a 45 degrees angle. Okay? So, muna siya ang purpose mo ang Y branch. Naputay combination Y branch, a fitting combining a Y and a Y and 1/8 bend to connect pipes smoothly. Okay? So, horizontal, pwede siya for horizontal piping. Okay? So, horizontal pipe, tapos yung vertical pipe, pwede naman siya makonect. And nakay 1/8 nga bend. Next is the upright Y branch. So a Y branch oriented vertically to connect a branch line above the main line. Okay, so vertical. Then inverted, so siyang, bali lang siya sa imuhang upright Y branch. Next is a T. So a T is a T-shaped fitting that allows branching at a 90-degree angle from the main pipe. Okay, so kung gusto ka mag-branch at both direction, pwede ka mo gamit o T. Okay, so instead of elbow na one direction lang, kung bidirectional, pwede kang magamit og T. Next is the coupling. So a coupling is a short fitting used to connect two straight sections of pipe. Okay, so kung nakay isa ka pipe ani, kay pipe ani, gusto niyo sila i-connect, you can use a coupling. Okay, threaded man na siya ang both inside na niya. Okay, so i-thread nimo ang isa sa other side and i-thread po din mo ang isa sa other side and maka-form na ka og connection through a coupling. Next is a socket. So, a socket is similar sa imuhang um, coupling. So, it is a fitting with the recessed end that allows a pipe to be inserted for joining. Okay, so the same purpose, it serves the same purpose with your coupling. Next is the adapter. So a fitting that connects pipes of different sizes or types, often threaded to non-threaded. Okay, so sa coupling, threaded ang both pipe. If threaded ang isa and dili threaded ang isa, tapos gusto nimo sila i-connect, you can use a adapter. Okay? So, pwede siya pud siya sa different sizes. So, 1 inch nga pipe, pwede nimo i-connect to a 3/4 inch nga pipe. And then, pwede po different types. So, PVC, tapos metal nga pipe, pwede. And using a adapter. Next is a nipple. So, a short piece of pipe with male threads on both ends for connecting fittings. So, unlike sa imuhang coupling, nasa internal ang imuhang internal ang thread or female siya nga thread, sa nipple, male thread. So, external thread. Okay, so mag-connect ka og fittings. Instead sa pipe ka coupling, ang coupling mag-connect ka og pipes. Ang nipple mag-connect ka og other fittings. Okay? So mo na kalayan nila. Coupling, pipes ang gina-connect, ang nipple, fittings. So other fittings. So T, another coupling, elbow, mo na gina-connect sa mo ang nipple. Next is the cup. So a fitting that closes the end of a pipe permanently. Okay, kung for example na kay linya sa pipe, tapos sa tumay ana wala na kay gusto isumpay or sa imong plano puhon na pa kay gusto isumpay pero dili sa nimo gamiton karon, pwede ka mag-install og cap. So mag-close na siya sa imong pipe. And pwede siyang permanent or temporary. So kung temporary, katong threaded nga cap. Okay, so i-thread nimo siya sa tumoy sa pipe. And then the same with your cup, pwede kang gamit og plug. So plug is a fitting inserted into the end of a pipe or fitting to seal an opening. Okay, so that's for your plug. Okay, so bushing. So a bushing is a fitting that reduces the size of a pipe opening by threading inside a larger fitting. Okay? Kung maragapon siya adapter. So a bushing, i-reduce niya ang size of pipe opening by threading inside a larger fitting. Okay, so natay flange pod. So it is a flat rim fitting with holes or bolts used to connect pipes, valves, or equipment. Okay, so usually ang flange is ginagamit for additional mechanical strength and also um, sa mga more on permanent nga mga connections. Okay? Then yun. So a fitting that joins two pipes like a coupling but allows easy disconnection. So unlike sa coupling, kailangan nimo siya ituyok tong isa ka pipe and ituyok pud nimo ang isa ka pipe. Kaso lang para matanggal. Kaso lang kung ang katong nga pipe is connected to another pipe, dili nimo siya matuyok diretso. Okay? Pati sa pikas dili pod. Ang union, pwede mo matuyok ang union, matuyok nimo ang union na ma-disconnect nimo sila dayon. Di ani mo need i-disconnect ang duha ka pipe, ang union lang imuhang i-disconnect. Okay? So matuyok na kaniyang barag iyahang nut yung hexagonal, matuyok nimo na siya and ma-disconnect nimo na siya. So ma-disconnect nimo easily ang imuhang pipe using a union. Next is a reducer. So a fitting that connects pipes of different diameters by gradually reducing size. Okay, so meaning for gradually, dili siya ingon nga diretso pagka-reduce, no? So meaning gradually inanay nga pag-reduce. Okay? Ngano makadaot ang imuhang diretso nga pag-reduce? So siyempre sa imuhang pressure. Okay? So dapat dili siya sudden drop sa pressure or sudden increase sa pressure, dapat gradual lang, no? Para dili po madaot ang imuhang fitting or ang piping or ang plumbing system nimo in general. Okay, so mo na imong ginagamit nga reducer. Okay, so next, so how can we regulate or control the flow through the pipe? Okay, so dili lang na siya pwede nga pipeline lang na siya nga sumpay-sumpay lang and wala kay way to control, to regulate, or to isolate the flow. Okay, so muna useful ang mga valve. So this is what we call plumbing valves. Plumbing valves, by definition, are mechanical devices installed in piping systems that regulate, control, or stop the flow of water, gas, or other fluids by opening, closing, or partially obstructing passageways. Okay, so first type of the valve is a gate valve. Okay, so a gate valve is a valve that uses a sliding gate or wedge to completely stop or allow water flow. It is best used as an on and off control, not for throttling. So, bot pasabot sa throttling is mag-open ng, i-regulate mo ang flow by opening or closing slightly. So, dili. Ang gate valve, it is best used for on and off. So, kung on, fully open. Kung off, fully close. Okay? So, how does it work? Okay? So, makita mo aning hand wheel niya. Kung ituyok nimo ng hand wheel, no? Kung ituyok nimo siya ang hand wheel, either mo taas or naog ang iyahang gate, kaning gate niya. So, kung munaog ang gate, sirado siya, mas stop ang flow. Okay? So, close. For example, dire. Kung musaka ang imuhang gate, mo flow na sad ang imuhang mo open siya and mo flow na ang imuhang liquid or water. Okay, so that's for your gate valve. So again, dili siya for throttling or regulating flow. It is used for on and off. So kung on, fully open. Kung off, fully close. Okay, next. Next one is the globe valve. So globe valve is a valve with a movable plug and seat that regulates flow by changing passage size. Provides good throttling control but has higher pressure loss. Okay, so unlike sa gate valve, ang globe valve nimo, pwede siya magamit for throttling. Okay, so control nimo ang flow. Okay, so murag po siya same operation with your um, gate valve. Ituyok nimo ni imuhang wheel, yan, ituyok nimo na siya, either musaka or naog ni imuhang valve or imuhang plug. So kung musaka siya, musaka, mo-flow ang imuhang water. Kung munaog, mo-stop ang flow sa imuhang water. Okay, so magdepende ang kakusog sa kadako sa space nga makuha diri sa junction sa iyang plug and sa seat niya. Okay, so um good for regulating or throttling the flow. Goal gate valve. So man yung kalian sa imuhang globe valve. I mean, good for throttling ang globe valve. Mo yung kalayan sa gate valve. Okay? Another one, we have the check valve. So a check valve is a one-way valve that allows flow in only one direction. It prevents backflow that could contaminate the supply. So of course, one goal nato in plumbing system is to prevent the backflow or the flowing of your waste padulong sa imong main plumbing system. Okay? So, how does it work? Okay, so for example, natay lift or swing check valve nga naa diri. So for example, mo flow ang imong tubig. Okay, so mo flow ang imong tubig. So na kay pressure ana, na kay force. So flow sa imong tubig, i-lift na niya ang kaning imuhang um imong disk. Okay, pag lift na sa disk, mo flow ang imong water and then pag mo stop na ang flow dani, mo close na siya balik through gravity or through kung na kay spring. Okay, pag close na niya, katong tubig nga na diri, dili na maka-flow balik. Okay, so dili na siya maka-backflow. Okay, so na po yung other types ana, for example, um, spring, spring check valve, na kay spring ani niya. So pag mo flow ang water, pasaka, mag-generate na siya of pressure. So kana nga pressure, ang pressure nga makapalift sa imuhang kaning imuhang plug, mo nang ginatawag nga cracking pressure. Okay, so sa pag abot na siya sa iyang cracking pressure, musaka na ang imuhang plug and mo flow na ang imuhang water. Pag mawala na to siya or malesen na siya sa imuhang cracking pressure, mo close na pud siya balik. Kay naman kay spring. Okay? So katong water nga naa diri sa taas, dili na siya maka-flow balik. Okay? So mo na siya ang function sa imuhang check valve to prevent backflow. Okay? Next one is the ball valve. So a ball valve with a rotating ball containing a hole that aligns with a pipe to allow flow. It provides quick, tight shut off with a simple quarter turn. Okay? So, ball valve, so nakakay bola sa tunga, and naka siya buslot. Ang buslot niya is the same with the size of the pipe. Okay? So, kapag imo na siyang i-turn, open siya, and pag imo siyang i-turn na po balik on the opposite direction, mo close siya. Okay, so sa mo pagkabalo nga, for example, pagtanaw nimo kung open ba or close ang ball valve. So may bala nimo na kung ang iyang lever is the same direction with your pipe. Kapag ang iyang lever is in the direction or perpendicular sa imuhang pipe, meaning close ang imuhang ball valve. Okay, so muna natin mailhan sa kung open ba or close ang imuhang ball valve. Next is the angle valve. So a valve that changes the direction of flow by 90 degrees. It is commonly used under sinks and fixtures for localized shut-off. Okay? So, mura siya, for example, kung naay mong flow sa water dire, tapos i-open nimo ni imong valve, mo flow ang imong water padani. O i-close nimo, shut off siya. Ayan. So muna imuhang angle valve. Commonly used ni siya sa imong mga bidet and sa supply sa imuhang toilet bowl reservoir or water closet reservoir or sa tangke nimo. Okay, so that's for your angle valve. Next is the backwater valve. So a backwater valve is a valve installed in drainage systems to prevent sewage from backing up into a building. It automatically closes when backflow pressure occurs. So the same major check valve. So it prevents sewage from backing up or flowing back to the main plumbing system. Okay. Next is the pressure regulating valve. So a valve that reduces high incoming water pressure to a safe, consistent level, and it protects plumbing fixtures and appliances from damage. So naka-set na pressure ana. So for example, mo flow ang water and um uh, ni-exceed na siya sa iyahang set pressure. Okay, so abrihan na niya gamay ang imuhang or padak-an niyang opening. So to reduce the pressure. Tapos pag mo hapit-hapit na pod siya or mo baba na siya dito sa imuhang minimum pod nga pressure, isarado na po na niya para maabot na pod tong required pressure. Okay? So mo na ginabuhat sa imuhang pressure regulating valve. So kapag dako ra kay ang pressure, ang abrihan to release the pressure. Kapag mabot kay ang pressure, yan na pong hinahinayan og sirado. Okay? So para imuhang pressure regulating valve. Next is the relief valve. So it is a valve that opens automatically when pressure exceeds a set limit. It is used for safety in pressurized systems like boilers or water heaters. Okay? So kapag mo-exceed siya o pressure, mo-open siya to release that pressure. Okay? Pero gradual. Gradual lang siya. Meaning, dili siya ingon nga, pag increase sa pressure, abri dahil. Hinahinay gyapon niya pag-apoy. Okay? Then we have foot valve. So it is a type of check valve installed at the bottom of a pump suction line. It prevents backflow and keeps the pump prime. Okay, so mura gyapon siya check a type of check valve nga naa siya strainer sa iyang suction to prevent other foreign materials from entering the pump. Okay, kung mo enter siya sa pump, adaot ang imong pump, and kung kuan siya makalusot gyapon siya sa uban kung sa imong piping, makadaot gyapon siya or mag-cause siya og clogging. Okay? So prevent siya backflow and keeps the pump prime. So buot pasabot sa prime, meaning kung magpadagan ka og pump, no, dapat naa siya initial nga sulod sa tubig sa sulod or liquid sa sulod sa imuhang pump. Okay, kung dili na siya, meaning nag-run dry ang imuhang pump, and instead of sucking liquid, mag-suck siya og air, and ang kana manggong tubig sulod sa imong pump, it serves also as a cooling sa imuhang pump. Okay, so pag tuyok sa imong pump, of course, mag-generate na siya og heat, and kung walay tubig, walay mo absorb sa heat. And sa heat nimo, madaot ang imuhang pump kung dili siya mag-prime. Okay, kung walay liquid. So mo nang ginakapitan og foot valve. Next is the safety valve. So mura gyapon siya pressure relief valve. Um, ang kalahian lang nila, ang safety valve is open siya diretso. Ang relief valve, open siya gradually. Ang safety valve, open siya diretso. Okay, so muna siyang very critical na component sa imuhang pressurized na system na kay safety valve. Next is the float valve. So float valve is a valve operated by a floating ball or mechanism that rises and falls with water level. And it automatically controls water supply in tanks and cisterns. Okay, so kung abot siya og certain level, so syempre ang imuhang wala gitawag siya nga float valve kay mo float ang imuhang ball. Okay? Pag maabot siya at certain level, automatically ma-close ang imuhang valve and dili na maka-flow ang imuhang water. Tapos pag mo baba na pud ang level sa imuhang tubig, okay? So muubos pud ang imuhang float valve and ma-open na pud ang ay imuhang ball, float ball, ma-open na pud ang imuhang valve and maka-flow na pud ang water. Then pag maabot na pud siya dito, ma-close na sad, di na pud maka-flow. Okay? So it is a good way of an automatic mechanism para makontrol nimo ang tubig nga flow. So walay kalas, no? Kung example sa tangke nimo mag-install ka og float valve, kung wala na float valve, kung pasagdan na nimo mag-agasa, possibly mag-overflow. Walay nagbantay, sayang ang tubig. Talagang waste. Now, if na float valve, so pag moabot na siya at certain nga giset ni mga level nga diri lang taman, ma-close siya automatically. Okay? So mo nang purpose sa imong float valve. Okay? So that ends our discussion for the plumbing fixtures, the pipe fittings, and pipe plumbing valves. Okay, so next discussion nato is would be about the basic symbols that is used in plumbing, the different piping materials, the different characteristics of piping, and the different codes or color coding of piping. And also we'll be discussing yung mga basic layout ng water supply system and water discharge. Okay? So I hope that you learned a lot from this discussion and see you all in the next discussion. Thank you very much.